everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a 1960s Smith Corona Aquamarine case. This is, what's the brand on this? A Corsair Deluxe, I believe, or the model number. Opens up by pressing these two white buttons. Good case, love that aquamarine color. Let's set this to the side. So it's a pretty neat machine, pretty compact, good condition as you can see by looking around. I'll get some typing paper here in a second. Show you how it works. Cool little wings to hold up the paper in the back. Excellent cosmetic condition. Really good working condition. Pull this up. You can see some of the info. Hit pause if you want. Corsair Deluxe. Leaning over, you can take a look at the keys. This has some dust from sitting, but it works good. It would probably benefit from a new ribbon too, but it works without the new ribbon. It works just as it is. Put this back. I'll hit pause and go find a piece of printer paper to put in this. Be right back. Here's where you all laugh at me trying to put this in place. Not too bad. So I'm going to type something. Show you how it works. This is a cool machine. So a little light on the ink, but that goes with storage, I suppose. Really cool, really vintage, late 60s on this thing. Great color, fantastic cosmetic condition. Just needs a little TLC to clean it up, and it's good for another 50 years probably. There's the shift lock. Pretty cool. Anyway, this is what a 1960s Smith Corona Corsair Deluxe looks like. Thanks for watching.